Hello guys, tonight I have again appeared before you with more examples on degree of comparison, that is comparison of adjectives and adverbs, because a few examples cannot clear your doubt, and I have thought that I am going to give you a complete grammatical chapter on the change of degree. Clear? First example that I should give you tonight is Keats is, that is John Keats. John Keats is one of the most sensuous lovers of nature. John Keats is one of the most sensuous lovers of nature. So it is in superlative degree, because you know that much, more, most. Most is superlative degree. Then in comparative degree, you will have to write Keats is more sensuous than most other sensuous lovers of nature. Keats is more sensuous than most other sensuous lovers of nature. And if you are asked to transform it or change it into positive degree, you will have to write, as you can remember, very few poets or very few sensuous poets are as sensuous or so sensuous as Keats. Clear? Now come to another set of example. For example, Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful wonders of the world. It is in superlative degree, and in comparative degree you will have to write the Taj Mahal is more beautiful than most other beautiful wonders of the world. Always you will have to bring most other in comparative degree, and in positive degree the sentence will begin with very few. Very few wonders of the world are so beautiful or as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. As the Taj Mahal is. So the verb is always implied. Remember it. Okay? I have given you two sets of examples. Then third set. For example, Shivaji. Now I have come to adverb. Adverb, and adverb is also in the same manner. You may change. For example, Shivaji Banerjee set the goal more excellently than any other goalkeepers. Shivaji Banerjee set the goal more excellently than any other goalkeepers. So it is in comparative degree, and more excellently. Excellently is an adverb, you know, because it is modifying the verb set. And if you are asked to convert or transform it into positive degree, you will have to write that no other goalkeeper could save the goal so excellently as Shivaji Banerjee. That means as Shivaji Banerjee could. Could is implied here. Clear? So excellently. And you know that when a sentence begins with negative adverbial, you should use so instead of as. I think that so excellently is the beautiful usage. For example, another example, I accepted his proposal more gladly than ever. I accepted his proposal more gladly than ever. Then what will be its positive form? You should write that I accepted his proposal more gladly than ever. So you will have to write, never did I accept his proposal so gladly as this time. That means as this time I have accepted. Or never did I accept his proposal so gladly as this time. So why should I use never did I? And you know that never is a negative adverbial, and so you should give the auxiliary verb in the past form just before the subject. When your sentence begins with negative adverbial, the auxiliary verb must come after it and before the subject. So never did I accept his proposal as this time, or so gladly this time as this time. Never did I accept his proposal so gladly as this time. So I think that I have given you many examples on degrees of comparison, both in the case of adjective and adverb, and there will be no difficulty to use them in your sentences, and you will have to practice rigorously at home. If you want to write your sentences independently by using the degrees of comparison, and I have tried my best to make you understand how degrees of comparison can be used in your own sentences, and try to watch my videos on degrees of comparison, and I think that you will be able to follow my rules, to follow the rules given by me in my videos. And again, I request all of you, my dear boys and girls, to subscribe my channel so that I may be encouraged to make more videos on many grammatical items, so that you may write English independently. Clear? And good night today. Again, I request all of you to subscribe my channel, and I think you will watch my videos, comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget it, please.